Solar energy was supposed to be one of the most efficient, scalable solutions to power the world. But there's a hidden problem that's quietly draining its potential. Dust, debris, and environmental buildup can reduce solar panel output by up to 60%. For utility-scale operators, that translates into millions of dollars in lost revenue every single year. The obvious solution is cleaning, but in practice, cleaning is broken. Labor costs are rising fast. Cleaning crews can cost up to $250 per hour, making it economically unfeasible to clean panels more than a few times a year. As a result, operators are forced to choose between spending heavily on maintenance or accepting massive performance losses.
Some turn to robotics, but robotic systems introduce their own problems. They are complex, prone to breakdowns, expensive to maintain, and in many cases, they physically contact the panels. That contact creates risk. Scratches, cracks, long-term degradation, what's meant to protect the assets can end up damaging it. And then there's the environmental cost. Traditional cleaning uses large volumes of water and chemicals, putting additional strain on local resources and ecosystems.
So the industry is stuck. High cost, low frequency, and ongoing losses. ClearSolar changes that equation entirely. We've developed a completely new approach to cleaning critical surfaces using electrostatic technology licensed from NASA. Instead of water, brushes, or moving systems, we use controlled electrostatic forces to actively remove dust and debris from the surface of solar panels. No water, no chemicals, and no moving parts. That means no mechanical failure points, no risk of physical damage, and no dependence on labor-intensive operations. Cleaning can happen anytime, including during the day, without interrupting energy production. There's no need for crews working in dark, wet, and hazardous conditions, and no operational trade-offs. The result is a system that enables cleaning up to 100 times more frequently at up to 1,000 times lower costs than existing methods. For operators, that's not just efficiency, it's a direct impact on the bottom line. Our technology can unlock up to $250,000 in additional profit per installed megawatt by maintaining peak panel performance continuously. And while solar is our starting point, this technology extends far beyond it. The same approach can be applied to autonomous vehicle sensors, spacecraft, skyscraper windows, and automotive glass. Anywhere performance depends on clean surface.
ClearSolar is a part of the Robotic Factory cohort, a highly selected program backed by Innovation Works that supports breakthrough robotics and deep tech companies. Through this cohort, we are accelerating development, scaling manufacturing, and partnering with industry leaders to bring this technology to market faster.
This isn't an incremental improvement. It's a fundamental shift in how critical surfaces are maintained. More power, less cost, zero compromise. ClearSolar. We don't just clean panels, we unlock their full potential.